All right. We got a whole tube full of feathered shuttlecocks. Here we go. We got this. You got a racket. We're gonna play in the wind and in the sun.
Like this.
Is this how you play? Is this how badminton is played?
You just make it there, and then if you catch it, you get 2 points.
Wait, we're taking a break because
Okay.
Calvin's gonna get some chicken heads. Right? Do they make it there?
Yeah.
They make chicken heads there. Oh, let's go see the chicken heads. Okay. That's the winning prize? Is that the special prize?
Yeah, and then
Okay. What is that one? What is my prize? Show them what it is and what is it?
this one.
Okay.
Chicken head also.
Chicken heads.
Okay, don't touch it with it. Jesus.
The wind is blowing.
How many points does she have?
0.
Why? But you keep missing. Oh, there you go.
Yes.
So, how many points do you have now? You have 2, and she has 1. Even though you missed that many times. Do you understand the rules of this game? Did you properly fit that N95?
I appreciate you asking me that because not many people know that you need to be sized correctly to an N95 to make it work correctly.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Wait, does Jumi's and Amy's fit properly?
Of course it doesn't fit them. It's way too big for them.
Damn, dude, I'm excited. I can't wait for you guys to come out here.
Yeah, just seeing your face makes me really happy.
I'm super excited to see you guys. You hear me? Yeah.
I'm about to get on my plane.
Okay. We'll have a safe flight. Just message me again when you guys land. Fan that shit out. Ooh, ammo serves. Hey.
And we're back. This time here in the Philippines. You know what it is? We're in Manila right now.
Hang on,
but
different flight. It's like intermission. Intermission.
But final destination is gonna be Cebu. You know what it is.
Nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagtangkilik sa amin. Paalam na po at hanggang sa muli nating pagkikita.
Oh, it is kind of nice actually.
This airport's way nicer.
Ryan wanted me to get your guys' first experience at Jollibee in the Philippines.
This is real. It's a whole nother world out here. This is really authentic Jollibee.
For sure.
Finally made it to Cebu. We got Amy her first meal. She flew all the way out here to get Jollibee.
Seriously.
She threw up to make space to eat Jollibee in the Philippines because it's not the same in Union City. About to do Ammo's workout.
We're here. We're ready to go.
Okay. Show me this workout.
Philippines. We're here. We're ready to do this. This is the gym.
Double tap. Double tap. Triple tap. Triple tap. Quadruple tap. Quadruple tap. And that's it for the day.
And we're done.
And that's how you get a quick workout in when you're traveling. Tip number 1 and only 1, just go quadruple time. How many calories do you think you burn?
I was just gonna say, I think I burned about 5,000.
Hey guys.
Look at with the background of the city and the lights.
Oh my god, amazing.
Chicken skin.
Observe
Okay.
every
observe
angle,
it.
and then you go in.
All right. Now listen, just listen carefully. Now Jimmy, you do these soggy, salty.
What?
Listen, just listen. Listen to the mush. Desalt.
Did you see how
Salty as fuck, Brian. Less salty.
Oh, those all hate.
I know, I can't
Why do
eat
they put
anymore.
rock salt in it like that?
It's Filipino food. If it doesn't raise your blood pressure, it's not Filipino food.
I guess so.
That's how you know it's authentic.
I guess so.
It's marinated salty meat with extra salty cheese and salted French fries.
It's like rock salt too.
Authentic Filipino food.
Yeah.
Cebuano.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Thank you for riding Super Cat. Thank you for riding Super Cat. Hello, welcome. Welcome to Bohol. Welcome, sir.
Yes, sir. We made
Welcome to
it.
Bohol. Which you got post?
We got Bohol to paradise.
Just in case you guys don't get it.
If you don't understand, butthole.
Ryan, fly off the
turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on
Fuck, dude! Fuck! Shit! Hello.
I look like a mess. Get my phone. Oh, it's fucking
You're-
hot outside.
Oh, it's fucking.
Oh. Ooh, Frozen's playing. So we'll see how it is getting around once we get back to Cebu, and then we're gonna go drive down south. We'll see how this works out with a rental car, because driving through Philippines traffic is gonna be an adventure.
It is gonna be an adventure.
So we'll see you in the car.
There's a car coming. Oh my god.
Boom! That's so. Look at your foot on my face.